So we're doing this. This is, if you saw it earlier today, Cooking with Mama Bear. She made coconut macaroons, and ignore the demons. Everybody else calls them cats. The ginger jerk is opening up the words again. Anyway, so we're gonna review. She's got two of them. She's got a regular macaroon, as you can see here, and one that is, it's kind of sticky, chocolate dipped. So this is Glenn, by the way, and Glenn's gonna help us eat because look how skinny he is. So anyway, let's take a taste. Oh, whoa. It tastes like pina colada.
Hold it. Kind of like a mimosa, but not as hard. The Girl Scout cookie, the mimosa things.
Yeah, those are good. Okay. You ready to try a chocolate one? It's very thick, nice and chewy. This one I kind of think is going to taste like a Mounds.
It is almost exactly like a Mounds. It
exactly tastes just like a nice Mounds. It's good.
It kept actually satisfying because it's bigger.
So, very good. Highly recommend. Definite 4 out of 5 stars on that one. Anyway, I will drop links to her blog so you can go check her out because I promise you she's going to be real. Her kitchen, she'll be drinking too. Always makes things better when you drink and cook. And thank you very much.